It is super mind-blowing that now we have the ability to create images, artwork, or design just by simple text. So basically, if you ever have like this amazing idea but you just don't know how to get it down on paper, you can use this application to help your ideas come to life. Hello, my name is Alexander and I'm a graphic designer for Greyson Enterprises. This awesome thing is called Midjourney. This will help you generate amazing, cool artwork or design to help you make cool things to impress your friends. Or maybe not even impress your friends, but maybe you want a cool looking poster in your living room, like a dog picture with a sombrero, and that'll be a cool idea too. So basically Midjourney is an awesome way to spice things up, whether you're trying to create images for your blogs, videos, e-commerce, or even if you're an artist trying to create cool looking designs but just don't know how to do it. So if you're in e-commerce and you're looking to create some cool, interesting designs, but you're not an artist, Midjourney can help you out. Let's say you have a target audience that you want to create designs for and you want to sell it on merch like hoodies, mugs, t-shirts. Well, with Midjourney, you can just place the images onto the shirts or products, and it'll help you to generate some sales if your audience likes it. There are also some ways how to upscale your images to make sure that the print is high quality. And here are some websites which you can use to help upscale your images. Also remember to remove the background. That way it won't be just a big square, because you don't really want that. You want the cool and clean, crisp design. Midjourney can also be used for video content creation. Let's say you have an amazing video or blog and you want to create some images for it to make it more visually engaging. As people read your blog, the pictures would actually help them to get an understanding of what your blog or video is about. You no longer have to use stock images, but now you can use unique images to help improve your blogs or videos, no longer relying on stock photos. Midjourney can also help designers and artists all alike. Sometimes we have a difficult time coming up with ideas, but with Midjourney, all we have to do is type in what we want, and it'll show us some ideas for us to get inspired. These ideas can help us as a reference image. That way we can look at the image and then we can sketch our own ideas and make our own unique artwork or design. Also, let's say that you find a cool looking image but it's not truly perfected yet. With your ability as an artist or designer, you can just get the image, put it in Photoshop or whatever application or software you use, and then just do some edits and tweaking and make it even more better, enhancing it the way you think is great. So whether you're in e-commerce trying to create cool designs for your audience, a video content creator to enhance your videos or blogs, or an artist trying to come up with an idea that'll be totally unique, Midjourney is there to help you in whatever goals that you have, as it can help you in your journey. If you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you later. See you later.